Judges, respected teachers, and my all listeners. Have a wonderful day to one and all. Hope you all are doing good. Myself Sandesh Khamari from class 12, Centurion Public School JIT. I am over the moon to represent my views on today's debatable topic: is India dividing or uniting? According to my opinion, India is uniting. India has always been a place of unity and diversity. The population of India is around 1.3 billion. And among each 1.3 billion population, you will find variety of people practicing variety of religion. For example, Hindu community, Muslim community, Sikh, Isai, Christian, and many others. People have different method of ideology, different thought process. People are from different castes, but we all are living within a particular nation called India. If you look at the history of India, the revolt of 1857, also known as the First War of Independence, that was the first event that happened, which shows the unity among each and every Indians.
Diversity is strength. It has arisen in this culture because of its richness, not because of its division. Good evening to one and all present here, honorable judges, respected teachers, elders, and my dear friends. I am Muhammad Arshad Raza Khan, a student of Centurion Public School, JITM. I'm standing in front of you to speak some few words about my given topic: India is uniting or dividing. I'm going to speak against my given topic, so I'll say that India is dividing. As we know that our motherland, India, is a place of diversity of people.
Good evening to one and all present over here, honorable judges, respected teachers, and my dear friends. I am Poonam Sahu of class 12th A, a student of Centurion Public School, Balangir. I am here to say a few lines on my given topic: is India dividing or united? I am against of my topic: India is dividing. There are
Good morning to one and all, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Jyoti Pragya Sahu, a student of class 12 Centurion Public School, and I am really very grateful and honored that I have got this golden opportunity to say some few lines on my given topic: is India uniting or dividing? So, in my opinion, India is uniting because since the time immemorial, we have known that India is a united nation with.
Good evening. I, Pratyush Naik, a student of class 12 Centurion Public School. Today, I am here to speak a few lines on: is India dividing or uniting? As we all know, India was made up of small kingdoms in the past prior to the British occupation. India was ruled by petty rulers. They were waging wars against each other and wasting their own resources and manpowers. Culturally, India was a nation, but political unity was non-existent. India is a country having many dominant religions and languages. People are non-homogeneous. As such, it is very difficult to administer this huge land of subcontinental dimension. Lack of unity among the political class in the past invited the foreign invaders. They looted the properties, destroyed many temples. This continued till the
Hello everyone, Honorable Principal, teacher and my dear friend. Today I am here to speak about the topic: is India dividing or unity? Really, it is a very great task to say India is dividing or uniting, but it is sure that India is uniting. We are united. We can become stronger with a common civil code and a common policy structure to enhance the life and lifestyle of our people.
Have a great and fresh good morning to all of you. Wishing you all a 75th Independence Day. I am so happy to be a part of this celebration. Respected all the members with the founder of Leo Club. I am Srisashish Mishra from GITM Plus 2 Science College, Balangir. It is a great platform for me to share my words about each India uniting or dividing. Each and every year we celebrate the same date as same cause, that is Independence Day. But this year is a special year for our nation. 75 years means celebrating the Platinum Jubilee. But to make it memorable, the nation observed
Is India dividing or uniting? Estimate teachers and the presence of other dignitaries and friends. In the present debatable issue, the content is India dividing or uniting so an interesting theme. The theme has close relation to our past history. That's why it is said history repeats itself. It means it says that culturally, politically, economically, and in the demand of religious understanding, India has placed its position as solidarity and unity in spite of coming of many national and international dangerous issues. Here is another knowledge that is Bharat World's has changed the Chandasota.
Good morning everyone. I am Piyush Misra of class 7 CPS. Today I am going to tell you about is India dividing or uniting. We are united. We can become stronger with a common civil code and common policy structure to enhance the life and lifestyle of our people. But some anti-Indian politicians and irresponsible society people will not allow it to happen easily. So we must kick them out of power, make sure to elect politicians who will bring all the citizens of the country under a single umbrella of common.
Respected director, principal, vice principal and lecturers. Today I am say that when 1947, 14 August, India was under the British government, but all of a sudden like family dispute. India.
Hello everyone, my name is Saurabh Meher and I am from Diploma second year from School of Pharmacy, CUTF, Balangir. My topic is India dividing or uniting? So, India is not a simple word, it can't be defined, not be explained, it is just an emotion of 130 crores of people who living in India. India also known as Bharat. Bha means to self and Bharat means knowledge. So basically it's called as Bharat. So it's mean.
Sir Damodar Savarkar, he dreamed about one God, one nation and one goal that automatically naturally got into the hand of Modi government, and Modi government applied the Article 370 on Jammu and Kashmir to give the special status and position for uniting with India. Sir Savarkar's dream was not only about the united India.
I would like to start with some beautiful lines. मैं मुस्लिम हूँ तू हिंदू है दोनों है इंसान. मैं मुस्लिम हूँ तू हिंदू है दोनों है इंसान. ला मैं तेरी गीता पढ़ लूँ तू पढ़ ले मेरी कुरान. अपने तो दिल में है दोस्त एक ही अरमान एक ही थाली में खाना खाए सारा हिंदुस्तान. These beautiful lines are sufficient to create the sense of brotherhood among all Indians. There is no doubt in saying that India is called Sone ki Chidiya because India
अभिनंदिता एमो भारत भूमि चिरवंदिता अभिनंदिता एमो भारत भूमि चिरवंदिता अभिनंदिता एमो भारत भूमि कोटि कंठ जपाई झुरे तार वंदन गाई कोटि कंठ भारत माँ तो कितनी अच्छी है तेरी जनों में हम शीश झुकाते हैं प्यारी भारत माँ तो कितनी अच्छी है तेरी जनों में हम शीश झुकाते हैं. तूने हंसना सिखाया माँ तूने रोना सिखाया माँ तूने चलना सिखाया माँ
तूने खेलना सिखाया माँ। हरे भरे तेरे खेत में, हरे भरे तेरे खेत में, तू कितनी अच्छी है। तेरी चरणों में हम शीश झुकाते हैं। प्यारी भारत माँ, तू कितनी अच्छी है। तेरी चरणों में हम शीश झुकाते हैं।
ए गुजरने वाली हवा पर मेरा इतना काम करेगी क्या। मेरी गाँव जा, मेरी दोस्तों को सलाम दे। ऐ मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे। फीका न पड़े कभी रंग तेरा, जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। ऐ मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए 100 दर्द सहे। महफूज रहे वो आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी रहे न रहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के, मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल। हर करम अपना करेंगे, हर करम अपना करेंगे। ऐ वतन तेरे लिए दिल दिया है, जान भी देंगे। ऐ वतन तेरे लिए दिल दिया है।
Mr. Chan, I am from class 11, presenting a patriotic song for this auspicious Independence Day. जननी जन्मभूमिश्च स्वर्गादपि गरीयसी। जननी जन्मभूमि मातृभूमि वन्दे, सुन्दर सुकुमार तुपदे अरविन्दे। जननी जन्मभूमि मातृभूमि वन्दे, सुन्दर सुकुमार तुपदे अरविन्दे। मथा परि हिमालय
भारत मातार सन्तान आमे, भारत मातार सन्तान आमे, आमे सबु भारतीय। भेदभाव भूली गाइबारे आशा, भेदभाव भूली गाइबारे आशा। जय भारतर जय, जय भारतर जय। हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई सबु आमे भाई भाई। नेबारे शपथ देश पाई आजी, त्रिरंगार तले रही।
दे दी हमें आज़ादी बिना खड़ग बिना ढाल। साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। आंधी में भी जलती रही गांधी तेरी मशाल। साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल।
टूटिछि रात्रि चल रे যাত্রী, নবীন সূর্যোদয়, নবীন সূর্যোদয়। টুটিছি রাত্রি চল রে যাত্রী, নবীন সূর্যোদয়, নবীন সূর্যোদয়। কণ্টকময় দুর্গম পথে, কণ্টকময় দুর্গম পথে, ভয় নাহি।
Hello everyone, my name is Sikha Meher and I am from class 12 section B, and today is the Independence Day. So I am going to sing a patriotic song to tribute our Indian soldiers.
मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन। मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन। इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा तन मेरा मन। ए वतन ए वतन ए वतन, जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन। मेरा मुल्क में
ए मेरे प्यारे वतन, ए मेरे बिछड़े चमन, तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान। तू ही मेरी आरज़ू, तू ही मेरी आबरू, तू ही मेरी जान। ए मेरे प्यारे वतन, ए मेरे बिछड़े चमन।
Good morning, everyone. Janani janmabhumischa swargadapi gariyasi। जननी जन्मभूमि मातृभूमि वन्दे, सुन्दर सुकुमार तु पदे अरविन्दे। जननी जन्मभूमि।
Hello everyone, myself Muktirani Sahu from class 12 section B. Now I am going to sing a patriotic song, ए वतन मेरे वतन। ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू। मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ए वतन मेरे।
जननी जन्मभूमिश्च स्वर्गादपि गरीयसी। जननी जन्मभूमि मातृभूमि वन्दे, सुन्दर सुकुमाला तु पदे अरविन्दे। मथा परि हिमालय गिरिराजा विराजे, पदतले मोहदधि मथा पिटी गरजे। गंगा जमुनादि शत शत नद नदी,